To access your statistics report, we need to click on the button here on our project dashboard. This will then load the report in a separate tab. If the report needs to be generated, then we press this button here. At the top here, we can see the sentiment analysis. We can see the sentiment by question here and the overall respondent sentiment here. At the top, we can filter how this sentiment is shown. We can choose a particular section or respondent. And then we can reset the filters here. Underneath, we can see the top 10 positive and negative comments. We can see their reply count here, their average sentiment score, and we can also view the comment in the board by clicking View. At the bottom, we'll also see the most controversial questions in the board. In Responses Analysis, we can see a count of how many of each reaction has been left on the board. We can also see an overview of all reactions left by respondents. Again, these can be filtered here. Under this, we have the top 10 comments with positive and negative reactions. And the most controversial comments are at the bottom again. We can also view any heat maps in the board. We can see the original image, the pins left, and the heat map. Under the image, we can see a full list of comments. We'll see the pin number, the name, the comment they left, and the reaction. Again, we can view this here. These can also be filtered at the top by respondent or reaction. In Keywords, it shows us a word cloud of the most popular words used on the board. If we were to select a word in the word cloud, all the comments using that word would appear underneath. Recognised entities will pick up any entities that have been mentioned. These will be listed here and categorised. There is also a link next to them that will take you to the Wikipedia page of that particular entity. To download the report, we need to click Export PDF, and this will allow us to download the PDF of the report.